Running multiple store locations without clear reports makes it hard to understand what is really happening in your business. With advanced analytics and reporting, you can track sales, revenue, profit, total investment, and store performance in one visual dashboard and export the data anytime. In this video, I will show you the advanced analytics and reporting feature in multi-location inventory management. This dashboard helps you track store performance, sales, revenue, and other important business data. So first you need to go to WordPress dashboard, then click Location Manage, open the dashboard. Here you will see a filtered dashboard that helps you view analytics based on different conditions. At the top, you can see important data such as total products, locations, then order, total investment, and revenue. If you scroll down, you'll see detailed graphs that help you understand your store performance visually. Now, if a new order is placed, you can come back to the dashboard and see the updated number here. You can also export your store data from here. This allows you to download reports in CSV or Excel for further analysis. Now let's check the analytics for a broader overview for store activity. Here you can see important insights such as total views, total purchase, total users, and conversion rate. You can also see the top performing location and top selling products. This helps you understand which location and which product are performing the best. So this is how the advanced analytics and reporting dashboard helps you track sales, revenue, and store performance. So understand your store performance with clear analytics and reports.